people that maybe
ni hindi ya muthenya wa githomo kaunti-ini ya Embu, ataramu kuma honge itiganite, atongoria muingi hamwe na arutwo makigomana gucirira uria ikiro cia githomo cingiarahurwo kaunti-ini yo. Kimabũrũri namba ya arutwo arĩa mabatie gũthiĩ university kuma form 4 ndĩbatie kũnyihĩra gĩcunjĩ kĩa 30% no gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ namba ĩno nĩ gĩcunjĩ kĩa 22.4% kĩa arutwo arĩa marakinyirie gĩkĩro kĩu.
Kenya bado tuko chini, lakini tumefanya vizuri, manake last year tulikuwa 19.9%, lakini sasa tuko 20.4%. Lakini katika hii list kuna ma-counties ambao wako above 30, hiyo ya international.
Kaunti ya Embu ikiro cia githomo irathie igwete na no arutwo 2,000 marakinyanĩirie marks cia gũthiĩ university.
When we cascade it down, kugawa watoto ambao waliingia katika KCSE in Embu walikuwa 13,915.
Embu was a citadel of education for a very long time. A lot of things I think went down, especially the day schools have not been performing too well. Now what you do every year, we have a clinic, and then from last year we started with this mentoring session.
For the student is that even if you want to go do private studies, go self-sponsored privately, please visit COOPS or look at that COOPS document, because we have gone to every regulator and asked them what they require you to have obtained in Form 4 to join that career.
Na kuona riu namba nene ya arutwo aria matanakinya marks cia guthie university meguthie cukuru-ini cia kothi cia moko, ministry ya githomo nayo ni uritio itaririe kiriga kigie kigina gia kurugamirira arutwo aria maraingira college cia kothi cia moko.
in my office we have had many questions coming from parents on issues to do with funding of our TVET institutions. And one of the questions that is being asked is the 30,000 that the government has been giving to the institutions on behalf of every student.
Hindi ya mucemanio uyu atongoria na anyiti itemi nimeranĩire gucokia maitho na thutha kunyitirira arutwo mari o secondary niguo marũngwo mari o gitina. Arutwo aria marekire kigeranio gia KCSE ni mataritwo kumenyerera miturire yao riri mohetio ni mitego miingi iria icemanagia na andu ethi.
Let us avoid drug and substance abuse. It's a main enemy in university education.
Tafadhali ningeomba uogope kabisa kuingia kwa maneno ya pombe.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.